What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Amari, man, back in another video. And today, man, we got that boy Trevor Etienne out of the University of Georgia. That sounds different. My boy coming out of Florida Gators. He said, hold up now. I gotta switch it up. I gotta go up a little north to the Georgia Bulldogs and crank it out with my guys. Cause that's what he at now. Bro, if y'all did not know, I am a Georgia Bulldogs fan at heart. You feel me? I am from Atlanta, Georgia, so it's only right. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Georgia Bulldogs fan. So, Trevor, you gotta turn us up. I don't think you understand this. We got DeAndre Swift, Nick Chubb. Come on now, Herschel Walker. Come on now. Hey, I know my knowledge now. Stop playing. That boy Herschel Walker, hey, toting that bit now. Stop playing. You got plenty of great names that you gotta live up. You know what I mean? You gotta live up to that name. Expectations. That's what you got, my boy. And let's not forget, bro, he is the brother of Trevor Etienne from the Jacksonville Jaguars. Come on now. Come on now. Now they breed athletes now, so hey, get out that trash can. Get out that trash can. I don't know why babies love trash cans, man. I don't even know. Come here. Come here. Come speak to these folks. Come say hey. Look. Say hi. The camera. Hi.
Huh?
Good job, man. Hey, hi. Good job.
Kim.
Yeah. So we finna check you out, Trevor. You gotta turn us up. Me and Kaden finna be watching Full in Effect and all my subscribers. So you gotta turn us up. We got our popcorn, our drink ready. Let's do it. I wanna say thank y'all for y'all support. Y'all know I gotta give y'all recognition. Appreciate y'all for support. Y'all been killing my last videos I've been posting. Hey, y'all keep running them up. Like this video, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep it up, man. I love y'all. Let's get into this video, man. Let's go. Uh-oh. First play. Good way to stay behind that lineman, boy. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, he toting. He toting that rock for sure. Is a touchdown. Hey, this look like a blowout. Oh, my God. 33-0. Okay. All right, now. All right, now. All right, get up out of that, Etienne. Get up out of there. Get up out of there. Get up out of there. Ooh. Oh, yeah, I'm liking this already. I'm liking this already. That boy hitting them gaps. Oh, y'all. Georgia Bulldogs got done. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, bro. Hey, let's not forget, Georgia Bulldogs got more running backs now. We breed running backs now. We know the running backs toting now. Hey, toting that rock. Toting that rock. Good. Ooh, that stutter step. Ooh, that little hesitation was hard right there. I peep game right there. Hey, he looking nice so far. Yeah, you gonna see Kentucky again for sure. SEC. This 4th and 3. This 4th. Get up out of there, boy. He made he made that work somehow. Literally. Oh, they losing real bad. That's so ugly. That 3rd and 11, they need to convert. All right, now get up out of there. They ain't even converted for the 1st down. Why they put that in the highlights? All right, get up out of there, Trevor. Go away to get out of bounds, yeah. All right, this is a team you just transferred to, which is crazy. Man, he was toting that bit against them too. He did look good. Oh my God, boy got them quick feet. Hey, all he got to do is have a great season this year, bro. And he's definitely in the lead. Oh my God. Oh my God. That boy just got did dirty. Hey, that film room will be talking about you, my boy. It's over with. All right, this against LSU. Touchdown. With the shoe off. I think his shoe came off too. Oh, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. That boy doing nasty work. That boy doing nasty work. Heh. That boy doing nasty work, okay? Get up out of there. Easy. That look like it made it 35-38 right there. Oh my. Did they cut up the speed or what? I ain't know he was that quick, bro. Hold up. That play was just real too fast now. I ain't gonna lie. Here, get up out of there. He just converted a 1st and 20 to a touchdown. That was something right there. You gotta give props what props do, bro. This against the number 5 team, y'all. I know this the rivalry game right here. Who the best in Florida? Who the best in Florida? Alright, y'all, man, that's gonna do it for the end of the video. That boy Trevor just turned us up. Georgia Bulldogs got done one. I think they gonna put him to good use. Passing game. Definitely put him in the game during passing, because you can just throw that thing out to him. He gonna be looking like a receiver with that speed. I think he wearing number 1 this year for the Georgia Bulldogs. Running back, so y'all keep an eye on him. He finna turn up. You good? It's us. He just turned us up. There was some good highlights. I like how it was mixed. It was like some bad plays, good plays. I like highlights like that. It was like on and off, but he's a good player though. Your brother is Trevor Etienne, bro. Hey, you right through it. You right there. You almost in the league. You got like 2 more seasons left, 1 more season left. So, hey, do your thing, my boy. Appreciate y'all for y'all support. We finna end this video off. Like this video, subscribe. We gotta get this algorithm going on YouTube, man. Y'all gotta turn me up. I love y'all, bro. And peace. Now, I'll be dead wrong if I jacked them up. I know it. Alright.
At this moment, he knew. Y'all finish it in the comments.
Whoa. I gotta put that in the video, bro. I almost just bust me and Kayla head, bro. Dang. You alright?